Hey yo, Eco, drop my shit. Oh na na, oh na na, Eco. And there we go. What the? Fresh on the beat. Guess what's called? What's called?
Damn, fresh.
And I go publish the matter for your sake.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Uzokalu, and if it's your first time here, you're very much welcome. So today's look is a purple cut Crease Valentine makeup, and I do hope you like it. So right here I'm just using a very light brown shade as my transition color. So taking the purple shade from my BH Cosmetics 26 eyeshadow palette, I'm just going to use that purple shade with a more tapered blending brush all over my crease. So taking the first blending brush that I used, I'm just going to use this to soften the edges so there are no harsh lines. You know, we gotta blend this shit out, y'all. So just blend it, and blend some more. We blending. Yeah, so that's all I'm going to do basically. So taking a black eyeshadow from the same Meet Matte Lezzetli palette, I'm just going to put this on my crease just to give that purple some more definition. So I'm going to put this at the outer corner of my eye and then take it up to my crease and then blend it all out so that it has more definition. So taking a flat brush, this is the same one I used to carve out my brows, I'm just going to take some concealer and use this to carve out my crease for my purple eyeshadow. So taking the purple shade from my Kiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, I'm just going to put this in the middle corner of my eye. Using my Maybelline mascara, I'm just going to define my lashes for my falsies. The eyes, I'm going onto my face. So here I'm just moisturizing my face. This is what I do before using any primer. So here I'm priming my face using my Rimmel London primer. Using my Milani 2-in-1 foundation in Chestnut and my blending brush, I'm just going to apply foundation all over my face. I think I'm becoming a little bit darker, so this shade looks too light on me. So taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn, I'm just highlighting my under eye, my chin, my nose bridge, forehead, and all the other usual places, you know. So yeah, but I'm going to be blending this out with my beauty blender. Taking this old brown lipstick that I've had, I can't even remember the name, I'm just going to use this to contour my face and blend it out using the same beauty blender that I used to highlight my face as well. taking my black opal loose powder. I'm just going to use this to set my under eye. I'm not baking because I'm not going anywhere, so I'm just going to use this to set my under eye and all the other places where I put my concealer. Using my Zaron mattifying powder, I'm just going to dust off all the excess black opal powder and use this to set the rest of my face. And the reason I film here is because the light in my house is not good.
The lighting here is actually nice.
That's the reason why I film here. But then there's so much interference, everybody, and it doesn't just make...
She said too much in the background.
You know, this thing I really do.
Yeah. Maybe she should just have one corner to herself, right? She can just lost
That's how much it will use. You see how people say it for
Yeah,
us.
it
You
was
say
just
she
this
this size.
size.
When you
Yeah.
say we don't go rich, so whatever we do,
Otherwise, it will spoil her.
side.
Actually, it will spoil her. Then the camera will be facing the wall.
Because this is where the light is.
This light will go.
And if I stay, it's the same thing.
Yeah,
Just
no,
that this is
Nobody
where the
can
light
easily come to
is.
this part.
Fat.
Yeah. People won't come to this part.
But I was using my room, but there's no light there. Sorry. We got love for you.
I don't think I'm going to use the video again.
So now practice music.
I wanted to use it now, but then
You know,
the interference has just become...
as in use anger, correct as in with passion. I hear about
I don't really see her as anger self. I see her like, okay, she just sharply won't tell me so that.
So you
No!
make no just make that mistake for
Yeah.
public.
Shut up your mouth. Me, I know this in any video. She's
I
there
don't
for
understand.
saying,
No, funny enough, I'm not.
Fake and put.
Shut up, you just shut up.
I'll show you.
Come on, Stone.
Right forward.
I'm supposed to be for the video. Then they see the animal.
You are mad. You are the animal. Goats. Goats. Goat. You are just the animal. In case you don't know. So using my Zaron black velvet pencil, I'm just going to use this to line my lips. Then I'm using my black Radiance Melanin Princess lipstick or lip stain on my lips. So yeah, that's it for this look, guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. So that's it, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.